Hey everybody, we're working on a Hyundai Santa Fe today. It's an '07, putting on new brakes and rotors. Car jacked up, ready to go. Let's get to it. Okay, y'all, got one more bolt to take off on my wheel. Take my wheel off. That's my seat. That's a brake caliper and a rotor. Okay, that's the brake caliper. That's the brake caliper hold down. That bolt has to come off, and that bolt has to come off for the brake caliper. This bolt here got to come off for the hold down, and that's the other bolt for the hold down that has to come off. Okay, I got my bolts off of my caliper. Wiggle it, comes right off. Take off my brakes. Put that brake there because I'm gonna want to squeeze in the brake caliper with my C clamp. Just put it in place and just turn the C clamp. Caliper goes right in and compress. Okay, that's a good shot of the bolts for the caliper hold down. Just showing you again. I'm using a crescent wrench. Need more leverage because they're on tight. So I take another crescent wrench. Watch what I do. I put it in and bam! Take that one off. And the bottom off. Now the hold down just comes right off. Okay, take our caliper's Phillips screws out. I got this tool from Harbor Freight. Let's put it in and take the helmet, hit the back silver piece. Hit it a couple times. And also you want to lubricate your bolts with some penetrating oil. About 2 to 3 hits, you break right free. Need some more hits, just do it. Holding the camera and screwing, so catching a little hard time. Take my sledgehammer, tap it to break it free. Right, that comes off. Put my new rotor on. Put my screws in for my Phillip. Okay. Time to put my hold down on. Put that in place. Stop my screws. Screw them as much as I can by hand, and I tighten them down with the crescent wrench. Use the guide pins for the brake caliper. Clean them up and lubricate them real good. Okay, we take out our hardware. Put new ones in that came with the brakes. Want to lubricate them up with the stuff that we use for the guide pins too. Put them in. There they go. So after you lubricate them, you put the brakes in. And you put our bolts in to hold the caliper down. I'm using air, but you can use whatever you got as long as you get the job done. Okay, make sure you pump the brakes up. Make sure they're nice and tight. Put your wheel back on. Put your lugs in. And double check them. Make sure they're tight. Okay, we take our jack stand from under the car, eject the car down, and that's it. Thanks for watching, subscribe, and like, comment too. Alright, y'all have a good day. See you next time on the Lex Physics channel.